In my experience as a front office associate, I handle daily guest interactions, inquiries, and concerns, which taught me how to communicate clearly, professionally, and with empathy. Skills that are essential for an e-commerce and customer support virtual assistant role. I'm used to responding to questions, providing accurate information, and resolving issues in a calm and efficient manner. My responsibilities included managing bookings, coordinating with different departments, processing payments, and handling documentation. This helped me to develop strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to multitask, all important when managing customer tickets, order updates, or email support in an e-commerce setting. Working at the front desk also exposed me to different types of customers, allowing me to understand diverse needs and deliver personalized service. This experience translates well into online customer support, where empathy, problem solving, and timely responses are key. I'm also familiar with using various systems such as reservation platforms, POS system, and internal communication tools. Because of this, I learn new software quickly, which is valuable for navigating e-commerce platforms, CRM system, and support tools. Overall, my background in front office operations has provided me with strong customer service, administrative efficiency, and adaptability, making me well prepared for the responsibilities of an e-commerce and customer support virtual assistant. Thank you so much.